Hi, I'm Justin Eimers, and this is Glass Doctor.
Glass Doctor is located on the north side of Sioux Falls at 4th and Benson, just east of the airport.
Throughout the years, my business has changed. Other than auto glass, we do a lot of commercial and a lot of residential. So we do a lot of showers, a lot of mirrors, really anything to do with glass. We're doing it now.
Working with glass requires a lot of skill and accuracy. You only get one try to cut it exactly right.
I have a team put together that know how to be precise, and my specialists are nothing but the best. They want to make sure it's perfect, and that's what we need to do. What I like most about working here is meeting these customers. There are so many fantastic people out there interacting with these people and giving them what they want. There is so much to offer, and we just really like to put the smile on the customer's face.
The Glass Doctor staff is here to help. Their experience in handling all the details of your insurance, coordinating estimates and job schedules, and answering all of your questions.
We get reviews on a daily basis, and it's outstanding what our customers have to say about our staff, our service, and our quality. At the end of the day, that's why we come to work, is take care of the customers.
Now let's take a look at the Glass Doctor showroom. You might be surprised by all of their great product displays.
When people walk through the doors, they're really in awe of all the glass options. The custom shower doors, the stairs that lead up to my office that's glass, the glass handrail, the glass waiting room. I like to have things that people can visualize. When they come in, they can see what their bathroom could be like and what their shower glass could look like at a finished product. A lot of people are looking on Houzz and Pinterest and pulling up pictures and showing us pictures, and we're just like, we've done that, or we can do that. So if people have a vision or a picture, we can do it or do it better.
Coming into the showroom is the best way to get started. The Glass Doctor team will ask questions to understand your needs, provide you with a quote, and create a computerized design so you can visualize your project.
People hire us to come out and measure for the shower and design, and a lot of people, what they want to do is feel like they have a larger, cleaner bathroom, and what we do with the frameless shower doors just really changes the bathroom. When I'm out measuring showers, I'm designing these bathrooms before they even do the remodel. And that's so fun because I can see how things could operate and open up the bathroom and look really good. This project was the bathroom remodel. The customer and builder had given us a call to come take a look at their bathroom. The bathroom really didn't have a very good layout. So what we ended up doing was moving the tub and putting the shower in the corner, taking windows out, moving vanities around. So we really changed up the location of everything and just really made it more functional. I think the homeowner really loved the transformation this made. From what they had before and what they have now is just two different things. It really changed it up.
Glass Doctor came highly recommended by my designer. The process for redesigning my bathroom and getting Glass Doctor involved was amazing. They came over, helped me out with the layout, and gave me suggestions that I hadn't even thought of. My project turned out fabulous. My husband couldn't be happier. Everybody loves it. They wanted to make sure I was happy. They gave me suggestions to say, have you thought of this? Well, maybe this would work better. Glass Doctor was very easy to work with. I would absolutely recommend Glass Doctor to anybody.
When it comes to the size of the project, Glass Doctor doesn't have any limitations. They can handle anything from a small storm window replacement all the way to a full-scale luxury bathroom remodel.
Everyone needs glass at some point, and we can take care of their needs. Glass Doctor is a nationwide franchise, but here in South Dakota, it's crazy how many showers we put in here in Sioux Falls. We do more showers here than any other franchise in a big city. And my guys are awesome installers when it comes to installing showers. What I'm seeing trending in bathrooms right now are the frameless showers. There's so many different ideas and so many different bathroom layouts. So that's when we get in there and we can really explain to the customers and show them the differences of how this could be done.
If you're ready to get started on a project, you can visit Glass Doctor's website, fill out a contact request online, give them a call, or visit their showroom.
We have the right staff for the right projects. We'll stay on time, on budget, and give a lot of great ideas. With Glass Doctors, we do all things glass, and we'd love to work with you on your project.